Manifestation is a hot topic all over social media because you can pretty much practice it for any aspect of your life. Manifestation is the process of changing your thoughts, words, feelings, and beliefs to attract something into your life. The pillow manifestation is powerful and easy to follow. If you want to manifest your desire, if you have tried and failed at other manifestation techniques, don't worry too much or feel discouraged. Those methods may not suit your personality type. These methods, you might be able to do the practice while you're sleeping. Why not give the pillow method a chance to work its magic for you? This video is all about pillow manifestation and how you can use it to manifesting love, wealth, your dream job, etc. The pillow method is a simple technique that visualizes your desires while lying on your pillow before sleep. In this technique, you write down your dreams and goals on a piece of paper and keep them under your pillow before bed. How it works. Our mind has two distinct parts, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind is the half we are more familiar with. It makes up our awareness. The subconscious mind is where we store all information we have ever come across in our lives. It acts as a data center where information is stored and retrieved when needed. When we are sleeping, only our conscious minds become inactive. Our subconscious minds are as alert and active as ever. When you fall asleep, the brainwave frequencies undergo a transition from beta to alpha and alpha to theta brainwave. Theta brainwave occurs between wakefulness and sleep and is linked to the subconscious mind. The reverse sequence of brainwaves happens as you wake up. From theta to alpha and then to beta brainwave. When your brain is on theta wave frequency, it is more receptive to changes and it is easier to reprogram it. If you are looking for an opportunity to rewire your subconscious mind, this is the perfect setting. Your subconscious mind will be more receptive to suggestions and you can reprogram it to suit your desire. Another reason for the success of the pillow manifestation method is that it ensures that your last thought before falling asleep is a positive one that makes you happy. This means your subconscious mind will be filled with positive vibes throughout the night. This positive state will still be present when you wake up in the morning. How to follow the pillow manifestation technique? You can use the pillow method to manifest anything you desire. The steps are the same irrespective of what you are wishing for. Step 1. Decide what you want. This may seem like a no-brainer to you because you feel that you know what you want. But it is not as simple as that. When you are manifesting your goal using the law of attraction technique, you need to be 100% sure about your goal and gain more clarity on it. When you are manifesting love, are you already aware of the person you want in your life? Or are you attempting to manifest a loving relationship with a partner? If so, what kind of partner are you looking for? List the characteristics you want in your partner. And also, how you want to be treated by this partner. Think of various aspects of your relationship with this partner and gain a clearer idea about it. Knowing the specifics is vital for the success of your manifestation. Having more clarity about your desire is helpful for visualization as well. Visualization is one of the most useful techniques to help you succeed in making your dream a reality, almost on par with positive affirmation. Step 2. Write it down on paper. Scripting is an essential part of the pillow manifestation method. After deciding what you want and getting its specifics clear, the next step is to write it down as a positive affirmation on a piece of paper. It is important to use the present tense for scripting. Although you haven't yet manifested your goal, you should write as if you already have. I am in a loving relationship with name. Name is madly in love with me. I am happy to build an amazing life together with my partner. I feel blessed to have a wonderful relationship with my soulmate. I feel grateful for the love I have in my life. Once you have finished expressing your desire on paper, slip it under the pillow. Step 3. Get ready to sleep. Ensure your bedroom is a heaven of peace, free from distractions. Dim the lights and eliminate any clutter that may disrupt your stress. The success of this manifestation method depends on your remaining in the same zone throughout the process. Step 4. Create a mental picture. Close your eyes and visualize your dreams as vividly as possible. Picture yourself already living your desired reality. Engage all your senses, feel the emotions, imagine the surroundings, and immerse yourself in the experience. The more detailed and vibrant your mental picture, the stronger the signal you send to the universe. Step 5. Fall asleep. Allow yourself to drift into sleep while maintaining the positive thoughts, intentions, and emotions associated with your desires. Trust that your subconscious mind will continue to work on manifesting your desires even as you sleep and keep it alive in your mind until the time you wake up. This way, you wake up with your desire at the top of your mind. Step 6. Wake up in morning. As soon as you wake in the morning, before getting out of bed, spend a few moments recalling any dreams you may have had that relate to your manifestation. Most important is letting go and trusting the process. Once you have engaged in the manifestation ritual, it is crucial to let go of attachment to the outcome. Trust that the universe and your subconscious mind are working to bring your desires into reality. Release any doubts or fears that may hinder the manifestation process. Benefits of the pillow method. The pillow method offers several advantages that can enhance your manifestation journey. Here are a few notable benefits. 1. Eases anxiety and stress. Engaging in the pillow method before sleep helps calm the mind and relax the body. It enables you to achieve a relaxed mood that is essential for manifestation by releasing anxiety and stress. 2. Strengthens belief and focus. As you practice the pillow method consistently, your belief in the power of manifestation is reinforced, and your focus on achieving your goal is strengthened. This unwavering belief and focus invite the manifestation process to work more effectively. 3. Enhances visual imagination. The pillow method facilitates the growth of a solid and vivid imagination. As you visualize your dreams night after night, your ability to create clear mental images strengthens, making your manifestation practice more potent. 4. Enhanced mental clarity. As the pillow manifestation method promotes relaxation and stress reduction, it contributes to enhanced mental clarity. When you wake up, your mind is clear and concentrated, prepared to face difficulties, challenges, and how to overcome them. First is distractions. Distractions throughout the pillow manifestation process are usual. Distractions, such as external sounds, irrational ideas, or a restless mind, may hinder the efficiency of your manifestation activity. And solution for distraction is to minimize external disturbances by creating a peaceful sleep environment. Use earplugs or calming background noise if needed. When distractions arise, focus on your breath. Inhale positivity, exhale distractions, and gently bring your attention to your affirmations. Lack of patience. Impatience is a regular human feature that might impede the manifestation process. Expecting immediate results may lead to frustration and doubt. The solution for lack of patience is to make it a non negotiable element of your bedtime routine. To maintain consistency, set a reminder on your phone or make a ritual out of the exercise. Conclusion. The pillow method is a powerful technique that can help you realize your dreams. It's a process that capitalizes on the fact your brain is in a more receptive state prior to sleep and when waking up in the morning. When you use these time periods to practice your manifesting, you will naturally increase your ability to program your subconscious mind. And when the subconscious mind is in alignment with what the conscious is trying to create, manifesting becomes easier. So, embrace the power of the pillow method and watch your dreams come true. Practicing gratitude, belief work, strengthening your intuition will help you get optimum results as well as making sure you're in a state of surrender. Are you still doubtful about the power of manifestation? If so, give it a shot. There's no risk in trying it out.